Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Discord is unable to install on your system and you encounter the error Discord setup.exe installation has failed to extract installer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So open the Microsoft Store either from the system tray or search for it in the Windows search bar and open it from here. Okay, and then search for Discord. Now I'll tell you why I'm doing all of this, because whenever you install any application from the Microsoft Store, that is the best possible patch of that application and it has to install. If it doesn't install from here, then it is not worthy of your system. So scroll down and click on Discord, but before installing, wait, scroll down to the system requirements and check if you have a tick mark here. If you have a tick mark here, then click on install, and this time it should install in 99.9% cases. Okay, see, it has installed on my system and it's done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.